Indian Army Flood Rescue. Chennai, a city steeped in tradition, faced an impending crisis as red alerts warned of intense rainfall on December 3rd and 4th. The situation escalated on December 4th as Cyclone Mishang's fury descended, plunging the city into darkness with power cuts and widespread floodwaters causing landfall and crisis. In response to this dire circumstance, the state sought aid from the Indian Army's DAKSHIN BHARAT area. Swiftly responding from December 4th to 7th on the directions of the GOC DAKSHIN BHARAT area, the soldiers of the 12th Battalion of the regiment in Chennai sprang into action. The challenges were formidable. The absence of light on flooded roads made movement treacherous, and rising water levels, compounded by the constant release of water from the Chembarabakam lake, created swift undercurrents that posed significant navigational hurdles. Undeterred, the troops persisted in their rescue efforts, prioritizing the safety of vulnerable groups. Among the many rescues, some stories stood out. For instance, the army responded to a distress call from the Perimbur police station regarding a 9-month pregnant lady and her family. Struggling without medical aid, the team swiftly evacuated her, ensuring prompt admission to the hospital. Remarkably, she gave birth just 2 hours after her rescue. In another poignant case, the 12 Madras team saved a stranded bride-to-be on the 17th floor in Parambakam. She happily tied the knot the next day, expressing gratitude to the team. Of the numerous teams under the 2 columns deployed, every soldier and junior leader exemplified themselves as the true embodiment of a warrior, living up to the Indian Army ethos imbibed during their training and grooming. Service before self. Displaying unparalleled dedication, the soldiers worked tirelessly around the clock from the 4th to the 7th of December. Their relentless efforts bore fruit as they successfully rescued and saved over 4,000 lives. The comprehensive relief efforts extended beyond rescues, providing food, water, and medicines to over 2,500 individuals. There was an instance where a soldier, Sepoy Vignesh, who was silently evacuating people, did not disclose his brother's presence in a neighboring house until a colleague discovered the familial link. This level of dedication, guided by the Chetward Credo, which prioritizes the safety and comfort of the nation and its countrymen above their own, showcased his dedication to duty. Seamless collaboration with state machinery, including NDMA, police, and civil administration, ensured a smooth and mass evacuation in the short window of reaction time. In tough times, the Indian Army remains dedicated to duty, sacrifice, and serving the nation with honor. The Bahadurs of 12 Madras lived up to their regimental motto of Swadharma Nidhanam Shreya, a verse adopted from the Gita, which means, "It is glory to die doing one's duty."